Camshafts are a big subject. A lot of people have a lot of opinions on this. Let's just cover the basics. First, why would you need to replace the cam in your car? Well, Volvos in the early 70s were infamous for having problems with the hardening on the surface of the cam lobes. The problem with this is that once you get a little bit of wear on a camshaft, just a little bit to get through the hardened surface, then you get through the hard part and you start getting to the softer metal and the cams will wear down quite quickly. A lot of people will refer to this as a collapsed lobe, although really what it does is it grinds itself down. And it can do this in a matter of a couple of days once you get through the hardening on the lobes. If that happens, you're going to need to fix it. The car will become very slow and pretty much not want to run. Also, some people just want to put in a camshaft because they want to change the performance of the car. That's not necessarily a right or a wrong thing. This is a choice about what you want to do with your car. As far as different characteristics of camshafts, there are endless publications and blogs out there about people who will tell you which one is best and which one is worse. Generally speaking, what you can do with a camshaft is you can move the power band of the car. You can move the power band to where it's lower so that your car has more grunt like the old Volvos did, and they lug around town better. You can move the power band up higher so it makes more horsepower at high RPMs for more of a sports car style feel for the drive. Neither one of these is right or wrong. It's just how you want the car to work. We can still get cams to some degree for the pushrod cars, although as they age, supply is becoming spottier. We also have some cam options for the overhead cam cars in the 80s and into the 90s. These are available on our website at ipdusa.com.